Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on how to get this beautiful wedding guest look for a Spanish themed wedding. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So to start this look off, you want to conceal. So I'm just going to take Dinair, Neutralize, and Camouflage line, shades Honey Beige and Olive Beige mixed together. And I'm going to conceal the under eye area like so. We're going to go ahead and conceal the lids like so. As you can see the difference here. Then I'm going to go ahead and conceal some of the blemishes around my skin like so on the face. Yeah. As you can see, you can just watch them fade away and diminish. Some of them even greatly disappear. It's beautiful. Anyone who says you cannot cover squat with airbrush makeup, honey, they just using the wrong brand, alright? Because with Dinair, I've been able to cover my blemishes and flaws for years. Look at that. Gone. And it's beautiful. Beautiful. Fresh acne? Don't worry. Give it a cover. Dinair, Neutralize, and Camouflage. Conceal while healing. And then I'm just going to go ahead and conceal around the nostril area like so. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and show you the difference in a second when you conceal and when it ain't concealed. Beautiful coverage. Next, I'm going to go in with contouring, and here I'm just going to take Dinair Soft Glow line, the shade Dark Almond, which is also available in the Radiance and Glamour line, as well as the Neutralize and Camouflage as well, because it's a foundation shade. So I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my cheekbones like so. We want to be nice and cut and sculpted. Then I'm going to go ahead and take it around the temples, forehead of course, contour the other cheekbone, let it stand out, and then I'm going to go in and carve out my nose like so. Beautiful slimming effect. Yeah, girl. Yeah, and then of course sculpting out the jawline. Then I'm going to go in and apply blush, and for the blush shade in this look, I'm going to be using Dinair Glamour shade Dark Peach Pink. Nice and soft and natural, of course. I'm just going to back bubble it in a little bit with the contour shade, customize. If you haven't seen my last video, go ahead and check that out. But I talk about that in that video. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and apply our blush like so. Okay, once we're all blushed and flushed, we're just going to go ahead and move on to the air shadow. So here I'm going to be taking Light Smoke that you see here and applying it to the transition crease area like so. Want to stay light with the shade because this is our shade that is diffused and blended. So we need to create that blend by staying light on the lever. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Bronze Rose from the Glamour line and just apply that to the outer corner of the lid, blending it toward the mid crease area like so. Yeah. Okay, then I'm going to take this shade Dark Brown here from the Glamour line and just define the outer V and outer corner of the lid. I'm going to use my shadow shield to create that nice harsh line. Yeah, giving me a nice outline. And then once I have the outline laid down, I'm just going to go ahead and blend inwards toward the natural fold of my lid, which is the crease, of course. And then a little bit up into the transition area. We don't want to cover that bronze rose though. This is going to add some nice depth and dimension to this look. Then I'm going to go in with this beautiful opalescent shade called Vanity, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the mid lid, blending it into that dark brown and then taking it up toward the transition crease area. Not completely covering the bronze rose, but making sure that there's a nice gradient effect. Then I'm going to go in with That's Just Peachy, which is a Colair highlighter shade from Dinair. I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner of the lid like so, blending it into the Vanity. And then once I'm done applying it to the lid and building it up like so, I'm just going to go ahead and take it to the tear duct, give it a nice pop and highlight. And then I'm also going to go ahead and take it to the brow bone as well. Nice and soft. Give me a nice glow under them wet and reception lights, you know. Then I'm going to go ahead and highlight the rest of my face using the same shade. Down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, cheek bones, of course. Highlighting underneath the makeup will give you a nice natural radiant glow. If you want a little bit more of a pop, go ahead and add more highlighter after foundation. Speaking of foundation, so here I'm just going to use Dinair Soft Glow Line. I mix Honey Beige and Nutmeg together to get my perfect match. Applying it to the face, neck, and chest. Then I'm going to go in with brows, so taking a spoolie, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off any excess makeup off the brows, kind of tame them brow hairs. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair's Eyebrow Stencil in the shape 8C, and Colair Brow Shade Dark Smoke, and just fill in my brows like so. Damn, girl. Then I'm going to go in and just take that same dark smoke and just apply that to the outer corner of the lid just to add a little bit more depth to my shadow. Okay, next I'm going to go in with airliner using Dinair Glamour Shade Jet Black and Dinair's Cat Eye in Stencil. Can't forget the lower lash line. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and set the face using Smashbox Primer Water. I've been loving this. I've been testing it out pretty much all year, and it's done really great, I have to admit. And I'm going to be posting a video on this product, how I use it, why I use it, and all that good stuff. So make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that one. Then I'm just going to use the air from my airbrush to dry the setting spray. Then going in to coat my lashes with some Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara, my absolute favorite mascara. I'm just going to coat them like so, upper and lower. Okay, and once I have my lashes coated, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of that body glow, girl. This is a wedding look, okay? So I'm just going to take Colair highlighter in the shade That's Just Peachy. Once again, taking only 3 drops. Yes, you only need 3 to get a beautiful body glow. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the tops of my shoulders like so. The dress that I'm wearing is a cutoff dress. It's sleeveless. So you'll be able to see my shoulders as well as my collarbone. So those are the areas that I'm going to be giving a glow to. So I'm just going to continue adding my glow to the other shoulder and then move on to the collarbones, girl. Because I want to be nice and glowy and beautiful. This is a formal wedding. You know, honey wants to glow. The wedding ceremony is happening out on the terrace. It's absolutely beautiful. If you've not been to Santa Fe, New Mexico, definitely need to put that on your bucket list because that place is freaking beautiful. I absolutely love it. And then, of course, I'm just going to go ahead and pop a little bit more on the cheeks. Why not, girl? Then I'm going to intensify the body glow by using Urban Decay's Kristen Leanne highlighter palette. Just on a little fan brush like so, and just apply it over top of the Colair highlighter That's Just Peachy. Just to intensify it a little bit more. Now this step definitely is not necessary, but you know what? I went a little extra that day, okay? Now for the lips, I'm just going to go ahead and take Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade 4, which is all natural. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the lips like so. I wanted to keep this look pretty natural and soft. You know, this is a Spanish themed wedding, so I figured that this look would be perfect for that because it is very soft and natural. You know, I'm a wedding guest. Okay, we want to keep it natural and soft, alright? We're going to let the bride shine. And this is the finished look. Beautiful, soft, and sweet, yet elegant, perfect for a formal wedding guest attire. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one.